Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, or sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got planned for this one?
What about like a one-sided pastel spiral?
Whatever you want.
Does it sound good, Daddy?
I'm just a filmer.
Okay.
I don't want to influence the art. Not on this one.
Not on this one, at least.
Not on this one.
Just every other one.
Just a lot of them, you know. But this one in particular.
This is
Go hog wild.
This is a joint business venture.
I know, that's why I'm holding the camera.
We make executive decisions together.
I'm out of ideas. I don't have any ideas. It's so cold, my brain is shot.
Yeah, me too.
I don't operate well in cold weather. There's a reason why we lived in this place, folks. To the dyeing rack. Alrighty. She's thinking. Uh-oh.
Okay.
We have a plan. So kicking it off with bubble gum.
Let's try to make like a little hourglass shape.
I hope we shook that bubble gum really well, because
We
bubble
did.
gum tends not to stay in shirts very well. I think we might have got a bad batch of bubble gum, actually, people, but I guess we'll see. I wouldn't be surprised if any of these that we put bubble gum on have no pink at all, but we'll see. If so, this is the end of our using of bubble gum. So. The bubble gum you see here is mixed 3 times as strong as it's recommended to be. So we have orange sorbet, bubble gum,
And green.
lime pop.
Yeah.
Just those 3?
Yep.
Righty. So, all told on this one, we have bubble gum, orange sorbet, and lime pop. A new kind of tricolor.
I'm trying to think of like springtime colors. Do I have everything on that side, Daddy? Oh, get up over there.
Some pink could be in order, maybe. I don't know.
You gotta tell me, Daddy.
Yeah, what about pink, maybe? What will be? That is a very vibrant tie-dye, man.
Okay. Ready.
To the drying rack.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Look at that. Gorge. Absolutely gorge.
Gorgeous. Top shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.